In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can remove objects in Affinity. So I have this very basic image right here of a beach, and let's say that I want to remove some rocks on the beach right here. To do that, we are going to use a tool called the inpainting brush tool. Now it's hidden beneath the pixel option, and in here we then have the inpainting brush tool. It's right below our toolbox right here. Sometimes it's hidden below the healing brush tool. You can simply select this brush right here. You can adjust the brush size the way you want to. Of course, you can do that. And right after, we just want to zoom in as much as possible to the objects that we want to remove. Let's say that I want to remove this specific rock right here. You can then paint on the image itself. From there, you then want to release your mouse and it will automatically remove that specific object. Now let's try with this big rock right here. Now I'm also going to remove the shadows. And with that, let's then remove this object. After waiting for a couple of seconds, we are able to do so. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guides to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.